Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an old Briggs & Stratton 35 or 3.5 classic engine. It's the one with the primer bubble, and this bubble here, I think it's got a hole in it. I'm not really sure if that's the problem, but I'm going to try and replace it today. So, I think I've done one of these before, but I haven't done one recently. I think it just somehow snaps in. But it's getting the old one out that's the fun bit, so yeah, it looks about right. So I've just got a bradawl here. I'm not particularly worried about getting the bubble out. Yeah, there's a little hole right in the bottom there. I don't think I just made that, I think it was like that before. It's gone completely, it's like soft and tacky. It looks like that little tab there is snapped in here on the side. So I think I just need to push this out somehow. Maybe. There it is, that's it coming out. There we go. So that's the old one there. All rotten. Bit of stuff in there. Get a tissue. Get a tissue in there. There it is. Now, we see if it works. There it is. Now we're working. 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay, let's go outside and see if it starts.